students, welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to start with the second part of the second chapter, that is operation on rational numbers. Last time I have explained you properties of addition of rational numbers, and in which I have explained you what is closure property, what are commutative property, what are associative property, what are additive inverse. Today I am going to start with a very fresh topic, that is properties of subtraction of rational numbers. Let us see the first property, closure property. What it says: the difference of two rational numbers is also a rational number. In in properties of addition, when we used to add two rational numbers, we used to get the result as rational number. So over here, if a and b are two rational numbers, then a minus b is also a rational number. It means that if we are taking two rational numbers and if we are going to find out the difference of two rational numbers, whatever result we are going to obtain, it will also be a rational number. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 2 upon 5 and b is equal to minus 1 upon 4, then according to the property a minus b is a rational number, is equal to rational number, then 2 upon 5 minus inside the bracket minus 1 upon 4. When I am going to open the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. Why? Because minus sign is outside the bracket. So it will become 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. Now the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 5 4s are, so 2 4s are 8. 4 5s are, so 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So 8 plus 5 upon 20 is equal to 13 upon 20. That is also a rational number. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us start with another property, that is commutative property of subtraction. Let us see what it says. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a, except there is a condition: when a is equal to b, then only a minus b will be equal to b minus a. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 2 upon 3 and b is equal to minus 1 upon 3, then according to the property a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Now we are going to put the value of a and b on both the sides. Let us put the value. 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 is not equal to minus 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Now since minus sign is outside the bracket, so when I am going to open the bracket, it will become positive. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is not equal to minus makes minus 3 upon 3. It will be 3 upon 3 is not equal to minus 3 upon 3. 3 cancel on both the sides. So what is left? 1 is not equal to minus 1. I hope it is clear to everyone. Only you have to keep it in mind. If LHS is equal to RHS, there is a condition A is equal to B. Is it clear? Let us start with another property, that is associative property. What it says: if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then a minus b in one bracket minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c in one bracket. It means to say that if whatever manner we are going to group the two rational numbers, LHS will never be equal to RHS. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 2 upon 5, b is equal to 1 upon 5 and c is equal to 1 upon 4, then according to the property a minus b in one bracket minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c in one bracket. Now we are going to put the value of a, b and c on both LHS and RHS. 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4 is not equal to 2 upon 5 minus inside the bracket 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4. So it will become 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4 is not equal to 2 upon 5 minus the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So 5 fours are, so 1 fours are 4 and 4 fives are, so 1 fives are 5. So 4 minus 5 makes minus 1 upon 20. So 4 minus 5 upon 20 makes minus 1 upon 20 is not equal to 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 20. Since minus sign is outside the bracket, so when I'm going to open the bracket, the sign will change. It will become 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 20. Now I will find out the LCM of 5 and 20. It will be 20. So 5 fours are, so 2 fours are 8. 20 ones are, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So minus 1 upon 20 is not equal to 9 upon 20. I hope all the three properties are very much clear to everyone. Next time when we are going to meet, I will start with a very fresh topic. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.